Guys, we're gonna play Geometry Dash right now. Where is it? Here. So my skin is toxic like that and poison like that. I don't know. So guys, I've been hardly here. In this part is so easy. Took my normal is in the east. But she is insane right now. In that Hydra. And this is mode. I've been download this in mode. I don't have any accounts on this. Anybody just can like and subscribe please to my channel because I don't have any subscribers right now and I want to reach I want to reach 50 subscribers live on because I am so excited right now and I don't want to keep posting in the YouTube right now and I don't just wanna keep it just posting. So I don't post right now any video that this part is so easy, right? What the hell? Guys, this part is so embarrassing right now. Hey! So guys, I just learned how to speak English. I just know how to learn how I just learned English. So we're gonna restart this. Look at this. I have many jumps. It's just, so I have others here. And I finish this and this is gonna finish tomorrow or today. So this is so hard like easy. Let's try it. No, I don't want this. So boring. So this is 2 minutes so I'm gonna post it after I finish this thing. Because it's so hard to finish it. Then my brother finished this game and she's wanna keep it doing this but she has a new game that name in the Roblox. The Roblox name is Roblox Fruit. And I played it to reach 200 or 300. I am 300 right now. So anybody want to join my account? Then trade like tra- trade some like good fruits. Just okay. So I need some followers or and I need some many subscribers like that right now. Because anybody else can see my video and subscribe. So this is so hard. I need to practice right now, and I need sounds. Oh, I play and sound. So you can hear it. I hear the sound because I'm in a record. So I need my sister to use video, but I can do it. If I'm gonna end, I can finish gonna everything. Hold on, please. Okay, I I just wanna post right so hard and kiss me. So that's it for today.